Quickie coffee today. No French press. Not happy. What's going on, everybody? I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Welcome back to yet another 2-minute lawn tip. Today, I want to talk to all of my cool season friends about a common problem that we deal with here, especially in the Midwest, once we get into this early June time frame, and that is going to be dry spots in the lawn. Now, obviously, dry spots get their name because they're dry. They need some water, so we need to go ahead and do a little bit of watering. But we don't just want to do any watering to those. We want to make sure that the watering we're doing to those areas is going to be deep, not daily. Let me explain what I'm talking. You guys know I've been doing a myriad of different projects here on the channel. I've been doing everything from spring seeding to landscaping, all sorts of different things, you name it. We've been documenting that on the channel. So there's not really much of a straight roadmap that I have for you guys within the series of videos. I just kind of have to give you guys a bunch of different playlists and recommendations based on your situations. Anyway, aside from that, dry spots, what do we need to do about it? We need to make sure that we're watering deep, not daily. And the way that we do that is we need to figure out the problem area. So for me, it's going to be my parkways. They're the first to dry out because they're often getting direct sun, or the areas that are shaded, they have a lot of dense competition with the trees. So those are the areas where I'm often going to find this exact problem. So typically what I want to do when it comes to watering these areas is I like to pick up one of these little guys right here. This is a Melnor spike style pop-up style sprinkler. I'll leave it down below. This is a really great quality sprinkler. Mimics the look and feel of a pop-up sprinkler. You can go from 0 to 360 with the span. You can do whatever you want with this. This is really great for getting large amounts of water onto small areas in a very little amount of time. Then what you want to do is you just want to go ahead, put it in the area where the dry spots are, and just turn it on, set it, forget it, let it run for a good 4 to 5 hours in that one watering. So we want to mimic a nice heavy rain, and on top of that we also want to water good enough to get water down soil deep. That's right, want to get soil deep down into the soil to help promote deeper root growth. And then what you want to do when you're done watering is just go ahead and leave it alone for like a good week or two. That's probably when it'll start to show signs that it needs to be watered again. And then once it starts showing signs like the leaves start curling up, it starts turning a tick gray brown, then you want to just go ahead, throw the sprinkler out there and water it deep once again. So in a nutshell, what we're doing is we're basically watering the most troubled areas of our lawn only when they show signs that they need water. This is a very conservative way to go because, like I said, with every watering that we're going to be doing to maintain these dry spots, which for me are often in the parkways, and I'm assuming it's the same for you too, those waterings are going to be heavy, deep waterings, like 4 to 5 hours each watering, and you probably won't have to do that watering again for another week and a half to 2 weeks, depending on the amount of rain help that you're getting. So it's a very conservative way to go, being that you're watering for a longer period of time with less days, and on top of that you're also watering long enough to get the water deep down into the soil, which in turn will water the ground soil deep, and those roots will be chasing down right after that water. So there you go, guys. That's your 2-minute lawn tip for the week. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. And if you have any additional questions, leave those down below and I'll try to answer those as soon as I can. With that, I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. If I don't see you guys next time, your lawn is going to be dominated. See you later.